So this time we are switching it up and we're looking at something that we haven't looked at for a long time. Yes, we have looked at this stock quite a lot before, and on the channel I am trying to do more updates on different stocks too. It's not that I don't have any interest in the stocks that we do cover, but it never hurts to have a variety of options to cover. So in this one we are going to be covering CEI. I hope you do enjoy this video. It's going to be relatively short. We're mainly focusing on the charts here, by the way, but if you do enjoy it, as I'm sure you will, make sure to subscribe. Of course it's not financial advice, but we are going to jump straight in. So I want to start off by initially acknowledging the past month chart. Very easy to see what's happened here with CEI. In the past 3 or 4 trading days really, it's picked up insanely. You know, the volume is up really high. It has been for the past 2 trading days. And we're coming to a point now, especially when we look on the 5-day chart, where the question is, where do we go now with CEI? Obviously, when we come in a bit closer to the 1-day chart, we're seeing this pattern, we're seeing this drop from the initial rise, but we've found this bottom down here. We touched the level of $1 exactly, bouncing back up now to the 125 mark. So, obviously the question in a lot of people's minds is, where do we actually go from here? Where do we go from the 125? Are we going down? Are we going up? Now, as I've said before, not only am I not a financial advisor, but I'm not a professional. I'm just somebody on the internet providing my opinion. Don't take it too seriously, as it is just what I believe. You may have a different opinion, and that's completely fine. But here's the way that I see the situation with CEI. So, the markets in the past few weeks really, they've been very difficult to navigate. It's been hard to see what's going to happen where and what is a good play. Now CEI for a long time it's a big play that a lot of people have had their eyes on. Initially it did actually pop. When we look out to the past year chart, we're going to see that massive spike that we had with CEI. You'll see that we popped up to about $4 plus, coming back down all the way to the 69 mark, I believe, if not slightly lower at the 50 mark. And again, we saw a little bit of a bounce to $1, coming down below that, and now we saw a big push up. Now, key things that stand out to me, especially when we zoom back out to the 1 month chart, we are having difficulty breaking above that point of $2. So at the high end, $2 is going to be our level of resistance. Now CEI, in my opinion today, is not holding up too badly at all. To see this one dip by 2.2%, 2.3% so far is not bad considering the run up that we have had. And that's where I am kind of conflicted on this stock. Now, of course, I've just highlighted the key levels that I am looking to break out with you guys. We're going to be looking for 125 for a break to the downside. Below that, of course, is going to be $1. When we come into the upside, we're looking to break, in my opinion, it's inevitably going to be above 125 and stay above 125 at the moment. From there, we're looking to push 150, then it's going to be 175, because you'll see 175 is a level that we had difficulty at around this period. Same thing with 150 previously, and of course $2 right at the high end is something that we're looking for. So yeah, we're looking for that support level at 125 to hold up, but again, we do want to see a breakout above that point at some point fairly soon. But when it comes to CEI, it's inevitable to say this one is a risky play at the moment. It's all going to be, in my opinion, about things like volume, because volume is going to be a big indicator of the potential price moves that we can see. If we have a look at volume recently, it's been up, like you said. We're seeing volume today at 659 million, volume for the prior day being at around 639 million, so it's still staying high, and that's a good thing to see, because the more volume, again, the more moves that we see in the share price. But it is definitely something I'm going to have my eyes on. Again, I'm not here to tell you whether you should buy or sell, it's not my job. I'm just trying to tell you the levels that I am looking out for. One thing that I would say is, it is going to be risky with CEI, because even from a technical standpoint, in my opinion, this one is bound for a little bit of a pullback. Some may argue that we have just seen this round here when we push back down to $1 from the initial high of 2, and I may agree with you, I may. Again, it's just going to be about looking to see if we do hold that level of 125. Just my short conclusions here, not an in-depth analysis. If you do want to see that, or if you want to see a bit more of an in-depth technical analysis, we can do that too here as well. I just wanted to highlight a few key levels on the charts that I am looking for after the run-up that we have had in the past couple of days. So with that being stated, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this relatively short video. Going to be back at you later with more stuff, but for now I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you so much. See you soon. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.